Hi beautiful ones, good morning. This morning you are walking with me to see the new market. I might have to do this video in two parts. So by now you should know that there is always a sideline that divides our village. So over there, that village is called Shortville, and here this village is called Leonora. So I'm actually walking in Leonora. Here in Guyana we say shortcut because there is always a shortcut or a very easy way, an easier way to get where you're going. So this morning I am taking what is called a shortcut. So let's see where that will lead me. Oh, I don't know, have you ever seen this? Look, this here, when you touch it, it closes up. And here it just grows wild. You just see it growing wild. The birds will even bring it into your homes. Let's go. It's really a cool morning. I feel as if I'm gonna go through this street right here, because if I take the last one I might have to make another shortcut, but I think if I take this one here I might be able to go down straight. All right, so let's do this. So we are going to take this one here. I thought the man wanted to knock me over because he was not moving. This doggy is pregnant. Sometimes this walk is, it looks short. I don't know if you know those flags there. They're called Jandy flags. And anytime you see them, that indicates that you're passing by a Hindu home. I think these might be people from the market. All right, so I see the shortcut I'm going to go through now. I think I'm taking this cut right here. Let me see. Is this my cut? I always know, yes, this is my shortcut. I don't know if you've ever taken a shortcut before. As I said, it is like just short ways. Instead of taking the long road and starting from the top, you actually go through these little streets to get where you're going. So right where that guy came out, that is my shortcut. So to get to the market, notice I am going over another trench here. And I am going through, walking on the strip. Now this strip used to run all the way on the other side when there was no road. It was this strip. still on the shortcut and the strip continues. Now once I get to that back street there, I should be almost ready to enter the market. So I'll start, I'm showing you the shortcut, and then I'll show you the market. Wow, and I get a chance to see the distance, how long it takes me to get there. I would say it takes less than 10 minutes. If you're walking briskly, it does. And we see people coming from the market. I'm almost there. Morning. What I love with this morning walk is that as I'm walking, the sun is kissing my skin. And this morning sun is so important. So I can actually confirm that the market walk is less than 10 minutes. Lots of trees on the path. Wow, so the market has really changed up. So I guess on this side I might be seeing more people. Oh my gosh. So we are on our way. Top. It's so beautiful to listen to the language. Say fat up. Morning, uncle. Alright guys, so it took us 9 minutes and 26 seconds to get to the market. So I'm gonna stop this video here, and I am going to actually start videoing the